Tortas De Carne.
A savory Hispanic dish similar to hamburger steak that utilizes a special tomato sauce to achieve a savory and juicy thyme. So as to not mess up this holy grail of a recipe, I've called in Chef Dylan, my roommate but also an experienced cook for this recipe that has been passed down from generation to generation in his family. To start, for this recipe, you will need 3 pounds of ground beef, 2 onions, 6 tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, 2 bundles of mint, 1 bundle of cilantro, 2 eggs, some vegetable oil, 4 garlic cloves, onion salt, and
Consume de pollo.
for extra flavor. First, begin by slapping your meat, and then start dicing your fruits and veggies. Begin mixing the ground beef thoroughly in a bowl. Begin airdropping 6 finely diced tomatoes, 1 onion, so about half the bowl, all the mint from earlier, and 4 minced garlic cloves. Don't forget to add that
Consume de pollo.
seasoning as desired. Then drop in 2 eggs and begin mixing thoroughly.
Now let's sauce it up.
Turn the stove on to medium heat. Empty a whole can of tomatoes into a pot with the leftover mint and cilantro. Then add 1 onion, so the rest of the bowl, and some vegetable oil. Season generously with.
Consume de pollo.
Then let sit to boil.
Time to get fancy.
Add some slimy vegetable oil to a pan and turn the stove on to medium heat. Then grab enough meat to fit in the palm of your hand and begin packing it into the form of a patty. After the pan is sufficiently heated, place the patty down and cook for 4 minutes on each side. Repeat until all the meat is gone. And there you go, some light cooking for an exquisite meal. Chef Dylan recommends accompanying this dish with some rice for an
Sending experience.
With all that being said, thank you, Chef Dylan, and peace out, y'all.